Hello viewers. In this video we are going to share a gel to remove blackheads. The gel name is Differin Gel. And we are going to discuss how to use it, when to use it, its benefits and side effects etc. We are going to answer all your questions in this video. Also there is more details in the description, so also check it out after watching this video. So stay tuned and watch this video. Firstly, how do you use Differin Gel? Clean your skin with a mild non-medicated skin cleanser before applying the medicine. Pat the skin dry with a clean towel. Apply a thin layer to the entire face or other affected skin areas. Avoid applying the medicine to the creases of your nose, or on your lips. How long does it take for Differin to work? During the first few weeks of using adapalene, your acne might appear worse because the medication is working on pimples forming inside the skin. It may take 8 to 12 weeks to notice results from this medication. What does Differin do to your face? Differin, adapalene, is a topical medicine, a medication that is applied to the surface of the skin, similar to vitamin A. It helps the skin to renew itself. Differin is used to treat severe acne in people who are at least 12 years old. It works by decreasing acne formation. Should I use Differin every night? Though Differin is housed in a tube, it is not a pimple spot treatment. Then using both hands, spread Differin into a thin layer evenly over your skin. Do this daily, either at morning or at night. Can I put moisturizer over Differin? Yes, but it's a personal preference. Some users report less irritation if they apply a moisturizer first. Some users say they prefer to use a moisturizer over Differin, but recommend waiting 30 to 40 minutes after applying Differin to add a moisturizer. Apply moisturizer and sunscreen to protect skin all day. Is Differin good for blackheads? Differin is the first and only FDA-approved full prescription strength retinoid. Differin treats the redness and inflammation associated with acne and helps prevent pimples, blackheads, and clogged pores before they occur. In order to get the best results, spread a thin layer over your face, once a day, every day. Does Differin Gel make acne worse? The Differin purge will only bring existing blockages to the surface, not create new ones. The acne gets significantly worse than ever before. A resurgence of your acne shouldn't be markedly worse than it was before you began treatment. Major side effects become apparent. What can you not mix with Differin? In addition to salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide, you shouldn't apply Differin while also using products that contain chemical exfoliators, think glycolic and alpha-hydroxy acids, or drying agents, astringents and toners, for example. What happens when you stop using Differin? Absolutely not. It's a common, temporary reaction that will usually subside after about 4 weeks of use. Use of Differin Gel should not be discontinued, but be sure to always use it just once daily. Try a gentle, non-comedogenic moisturizer, like Differin Soothing Moisturizer, to help manage irritation. What are the side effects of Differin? Common side effects of Differin Gel include a brief sensation of warmth, stinging, tingling, or irritation immediately after applying the medication. Skin redness, dryness, itching, scaling, mild burning, or worsening of acne may occur during the first 2 to 4 weeks of using Differin Gel. How long does Differin purge last? The tretinoin purge usually lasts for 2 to 6 weeks, although it can sometimes carry on for as long as 2 or 3 months. It can range from a few minor pimples to major breakouts, as well as skin dryness, flaking, peeling and redness. Try it out and let me know your feedback in comment box. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel for more videos.